Good morning, fam. How are you? How was the night? Hope you are good. Happy new week. May this week favor us, and may the blessings, happiness, joy, glory of this week come to us. You already know my name is Aboiji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and turn on, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video whenever I drop it. So this is the beginning of the new week. Let's see what the chart has for us. You already know we used to do top-down analysis on Monday. So from monthly time frame to daily to 1 hour time frame to 15-minute time frame, so that we can see what we have, what the market has for us. Before we enter the market, you already know we started from fundamental analysis to check maybe there is news, so that we can stay away from the news and enter after the news has dropped. Today is Monday, and there is no high part news. You can see there is no high part news. So it's just good for us, so that you already know. I used to say that if we want to if you are if you want to if there is high part news, there is no red, and there is bank holiday safe. There's bank holiday on USA and Canada. There's bank holiday on both them. So we just need to stay ahead of it. We don't need to say, so there's no need to we just let's just see what the chat has for us, so that we can follow what chat has for us. The reason why we used to check news is because so that we can stay ahead of the news. If news want to come, if the news the time the news want to come out, so that we can quickly move away from the news, and after the news we can enter. You already know we started from monthly time frame. This is gold. I already know I started from gold, after gold, silver, after silver, US 30, after US 30, GBP USD, after GBP USD, Euro USD, after Euro USD, USD JPY, after USD JPY, GBP JPY. That's my pair. After those pairs, and I go to crypto, which is BTC and Ethereum. You already know we started from monthly time frame. It's good to see what monthly time frame is doing, and you can see monthly time frame is telling us we are in what? We are in the uptrend. And these are the key level of monthly time frame. We used to draw key level of monthly time frame. This is the key level here. If market is coming down, market will retest here, because this is key level here also, because this is key level here also, because market has been messing up before going up. This is key level, this key level. If this key level cannot hold it, key level, this will key level. If this key level, this key level is coming to this key level. So what we are doing now, since we have know that market is in uptrend monthly time frame, we move to what? Weekly time frame, to see what is happening on weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our what? This is our key level resistance, and this is our key level support, and this is our previous key level resistance, which market has broken. And you already know monthly time frame market is telling us uptrend, because this is the last break of structure. Market mitigated this supply zone. After market mitigated it, it's trying to push it up, and you can see this is the weak candle. This is the pin bar bullish candle. It first give us pin bar bearish candle, and then give us another pin bar bullish candle, which means buyers and what are in the market, and market is telling us uptrend. This is what we do after doing our key level on what on monthly time frame, on weekly time frame also. We go to daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame is just the swing high and the swing low. This is the swing high, and this is the swing low. After the market mitigated this swing low is trying to push it down, and this is the recent one that is giving us this swing low. This swing low, we cannot say, we will just say swing low. See, but if it give us break of structure, definitely this swing low what is strong. But as for now, we just analyze it as swing low. Since we have know what the market is doing on daily time frame too. This is the recent trend. It's telling us uptrend. What we now move to 4 hours time frame. What we just do on 4 hours time frame, we just see what is happening on 4 hour time frame. You can see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure, and this is the supply zone market is what is mitigating. This is the supply zone market has mitigated, and it has turned us to resistance. This is the resistance now. It has turned it to resistance because market has mitigated this several times. This is the first mitigated, and this is our second one. After the second one, it mitigated it. This is our third. This is our third mitigated, and you can see what market is doing. Market is trying to come. Market is trying to come down. You can see what kind of, because this is the low. This is the lower high that give us this higher high. You can see this is the lower high that give us this higher high. Market came back to it. After mitigated it, market give us another higher high. And this is the lower, this is the higher low. Sorry, this is the higher low that give us this higher high. And definitely market is coming back here to come and give us the buy. This is where I'm expecting the market to come, which is our other block. Since we have seen the recent, since we have seen the recent what, the recent trend on 4 hours time frame. If we said we should put our stop loss, the stop loss will be large. So we go to 1 hour time frame to redefine the market, and you can see there is FEG here. That's why this place is what is valid. All this one was is what is liquidity. As for me, it is liquidity. Market is coming to swept before going up. If there is no space, if there is no FEG here, we will say that market is going up. But since there is FEG here, definitely market is coming back. On 1 hour, what we do on 1 hour? We just really define the market on 1 hour. This is what we do on 1 hour. This is just to define the market on 1 hour. And you can see this is the other block, and our long position will be here, because we can see there is FVG on 1 hour time frame also. This is the FVG on 1 hour time frame. Our long position will be here, and our stop loss will be here. But if you say we should use stop loss on 4 hours, definitely our stop loss will be large. You can see our stop loss will be large, will be here. But on 1 hour, that is this is where we are putting our stop loss. This is where we are putting our stop loss. And we are expecting the what? We are expecting the bullish. We just need to be patient, seriously, because after this is the resistance. You can see market on 1 hour market. This is the first, second, third. Market has touched this place several times, and it's coming to this supply. This supply market is coming, because this place has FEG also. Let's just see what market has for us. Let's see what market has for us. If market, we are expecting the market to come back. Let's go to 15 minutes. That's our entry. 15 minutes our entry. We just wait on the we just wait for the market on 15 to see what is happening. You can see this is if we say we should use 4 hours and 15 minutes, you can see this is where we are expecting the market. After expecting the market from here, definitely we are what? We are bullish. And our stop loss is what? Our stop loss is safer, because our stop loss is what? Is below this what? This is below that, is because it's below that lower higher low. It's below this higher low. And if you say it's already the trend now, what the trend is telling us? The trend is telling us downtrend, because market has mitigated this supply. This way the market has mitigated this supply. After market mitigated it, what I'm seeing now is because is this is where what I'm seeing. You can see this is what this is break of structure to uptrend, internal break of structure. You can see, and we are having change of character from here. Change of character. After change of character, all these ones are already mitigated, and we are having change of character that block here. Wait, there is gap here. You can see there is gap here. You can see there is gap. But market may come back here to fill in the gap and continue the downtrend because what this place will serve as liquidity. This will serve as liquidity. Market may come back to it and fill and what and sweep this liquidity and continue the down because there's gap here. But let's just align with this flip zone, this change of character order block. Let's just align with it. Let's see what market has here. Change of character order block. This where the market is because we are having FEG here. All these candles are having mitigated. But if market do not respect this one, there's definitely that the market is coming here to fill in the gap here. After the FEG here, continue the downtrend because you can see there is FEG here. So market may come back here, fill the FEG and continue the downward, sweep the liquidity and continue the downtrend. This way we are buying. This way we are buying. But if market on 1 hour, if market break this higher, this this higher, definitely we are in uptrend. This higher high, we are in uptrend. Let's move to sliver. Let's see what is happening on sliver. Today the video will be long because we started from monthly time frame. Or you can see on sliver, this sliver. You can see this is the higher high. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. This is our key level here. So and we can see on monthly time frame, market is showing us uptrend. This is the last AI market created on monthly time frame, and market has not came back to it. If market come back to it, it will respect this place. If you don't respect this place, if you not respect this, definitely we respect this place and continue the uptrend. But as for now, what market is telling us, market is saying what is saying bullish. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. You can see this is weekly time frame. And what market, this is the last break of structure. This is our key level. These are what key level resistance. These are key level. This is our key level support, and these are previous key level resistance. And where the market mitigated this FEG. You can see this is the FEG market mitigated. Market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated, after market mitigated the FEG, market respected the FEG. This is the FEG market respected. And market swept this liquidity, which means definitely we are in uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame and see what is happening on daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and this is the last break of structure market gave us, and this is the other block. You can see this is the other block market gave us on daily time frame. This is other block, which is these are previous. These are swing high, and this is our swing low. Market has swept this swing low. Definitely, market has given us this recent swing low, but this recent swing low what has not give us what break of structure, which means we cannot still count it that is strong. If this swing low give us break of structure, definitely this is what it is strong. So let's do this is our last break of structure, internal break of structure on what on daily time frame, which means we are seeing we are in uptrend, like we are in uptrend. Market has not mitigated this other block. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame. This is what 4 hours time frame see. It's still is telling us. You can see what 4 hours time frame is telling us. The break of structure of what of daily time frame is aligned with 4 hours time frame, and this is it. This is what we are having. This is what we are having. This is the last break of structure to up market gave us. Market did not expect those plays. Market came back to here where the buyer enter. Market came back to where the buyer enter. It's continuing giving us the uptrend, and you can see this is the uptrend. This is where the market expected. This is where the market expected. Sorry for that. After market expected, let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is telling us. This is what 1 hour is telling us. This is what 1 hour is telling us. As for me, this is liquidity. You can say market has swept this liquidity. Market has swept this liquidity here. This liquidity has been swept, and market continue the uptrend. This is what market is telling us. Let's now move to 1 hour, and let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us. This is 15 minutes. This is what 15 minutes telling us. After market swept the liquidity for 15 minutes, you can see this is the last break of structure here. You can see this is the break of structure here, and this is the change of character here. Market swept this liquidity, continue the uptrend. After market swept this liquidity, it's continuing the uptrend. But let's see what the market's trying to do. Let's read this 15 minutes. Sorry, let's go back of 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. That 4 hours demand zone where market is. This is where market mitigated. You can see this is where market mitigated. This is FEG, small FEG. Market expected that way. Market mitigated this place. After market mitigated here, let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. After market mitigated here, this is the last break of structure we can say. This is the last break of structure we can see. This is the last break of structure market gave us on 1 hour time frame. We have to be patient if you're analyzing seriously. After market give us what? Change of character. So this is the high that give us change of character. And market came back here as change of character order block. You can see. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is what 15-minute time frame is telling us. This is what 15-minute time frame is telling us. After market mitigated here, it came back to disrupt the liquidity. It continued the uptrend. Let's see, we are here. Let's see market give us change of character here. And F this are already mitigated. FEGs here. You can see market is coming back here. Market is coming back here. And continue the bullish. This is what I see on Sliver also. So let's just move to let's see what is happening. Let's move to US 30. Let's move to US 30. Let's move to US 30. This US 30 for monthly time frame also, you can see we are in that, we are in uptrend. This is our key level. This is the key level because market touches it. This is the key level. Market mitigate. Market touches it, and what? This is another key level here. You can see this is the resistance. Turn to, you can see market first expected it, push it up. Market expected it again, turn it down. So if market is coming, it may expect the here. Yeah. Let's move to weekly time frame to draw our recent. This is our what? This is our, you can see this is our what? This is our These are our resistance, key level resistance, and these are our key level support. These are our previous key level resistance here because the market expected it. And let's see that is it. Let's move. Since we have done our key level on weekly time, on daily time frame, what do we do? This is our swing growth, our swing high, and our swing low. But you can see market as buyers are in the market because this is weak candle because seller is trying to push the market up. Let's move to 4 hours and see what is happening on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the order block I'm expecting the market to sell. But this is where the market after market mitigated this FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated this FEG, they continue the sell. They continue the buy, sorry. But I'm expecting the sell from here because if you see, this is the last break of structure market gave us. Last break of structure. And this is the change of character market gave us on 4 hours. 4 hours, 4 hours. And I'm is what I'm going to do is I'm going to respect here. This is order block. Change of character order block. Change of character order block. So I'm expecting the market to respect here. So let's see how we can we can join the buy. How we can join the buy on one. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, we already define our what our our entry. Let's see what is happening. This 1 hour time frame. Let's just read what 1 hour time frame is telling us. And we are what? We are selling from there. This way we are selling. This way the seller are enter. We enter. Sorry. Because this is where the seller enter. So we are expecting the seller to enter here again. And our stop loss will be above here. For saver, for save, for save, for save. Let's say our if we want to join this trend, we gas trend with this on 1 hour time frame. This is liquidity, and this liquidity have been swept. Seriously, this liquidity have been swept. Definitely, we are in uptrend. This is liquidity swept on 1 hour time frame. After this is liquidity, after market mitigated this, we first expected it. Definitely, it started pushing it up. This is what 50 minutes telling us. And if you see, if market broken this place with full body candle, definitely we join the buy. We join the buy. We join what? We join the buy here. Let's see if market closes with full body candles. We are joining our buy here. Where is FEG? Where is FEG? This space has already mitigated. All this space has already mitigated. This is where the FEG is. We just we just wait for the market here. we just wait for the market here over there because that place is FEG. But if the market did not wait, if the market did not come back to here, definitely we are taking the buy. We are taking the buy straight. We are taking the sell from here straight to this place. So we are this way we are taking the buy. We are taking the buy from here. This is this is how we are taking the buy. This is where we are taking the buy. This is where we are taking the buy. And there is FEG here also. But I'm expecting here this place is valid for me because here too is valid because there is FEG here also and there is skill level here. But this is where if you see, let's be waiting for let's be waiting for change of character here because this is the last break of structure here. Definitely we are in uptrend. Let's move to let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is trying to tell us. This is what 15 minutes is trying to tell us. And you can see this where this is the FEG. This place are already swept. This is where we are taking the if we define the FEG, this is where we are taking the buy. You can see. And if you want to join the market, you can join the market from here to buy up. On 15 minutes, we only have we have two. On 15 minutes, we have two. We have two opportunity. We have here as opportunity of 15 minutes, but it's better for us to just leave it as 1 hour gave us, so that if the market just come back, it should just give us the you don't want anything. You should just mitigate it and continue the bullish. So our bullish will be here, and our seller will be what? Will be dumping. That's what we be. That's what we have. That's what we have. That's what we have on US 30. Let's move to GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been giving some pattern. So let's just see what is happening on it. On monthly time frame, you already know this is the key level we are expecting the market to come. On monthly time frame, this is the key level I'm expecting the market. These are the key level we can see. This because the reason why I said you can see what market is showing. This is the key level market is, and after market swept the liquidity, they continue the bullish. And what this is the first key level market may react. This is the second key level, and this is the last. This is the third key level here. This is the third key level here. This is the third key level here. So if market broken this place, definitely no more. The buy is valid before, but it's not this year. It's not this year. It's not this year. Let's just this is the latest trend we are joining. This is what we are expecting the market. This is the key level we are expecting the market to reach. Let's move to one weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and this is what weekly time frame give us. This is the key level resistance here. This is the key level resistance, and this is the key level what? This is the key level support here. And all those minor key level that this is the key another key level. Market mitigated, market resisted, and what and continue the what. But this place is what is invalid because this FEG have already closed. On weekly time frame, this FEG has already been closed. This FEG, there's no opportunity down again. There's no opportunity down again. We just need to be continue the what we just need to continue the trend. And if you see this is another key level here that is pushing the market up, and this is where the key opportunity is. You can see there's FEG here. This FEG also have already been closed. This is where the F is, And if we said we continue the bullish, we can continue the bullish is because this minor key level has already been mitigated. You can see this is the minor key level here. You can see market respected it. Market has respected it. Let's just move to daily time frame. Let's see what is daily time frame is telling us. This is daily time frame. This is what daily time frame is telling us. You can see this is the what? This is the swing. This is the swing low. This is the swing high. And this is where the market, we are expecting the market, and where what is happening on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure on that market is giving us downtrend. You can see this is the last break of structure that market is giving us the downtrend, and market mitigated this other block, trying to give us downtrend. On daily time frame, we are having FEG here. You can see we are having FEG. If this FEG does not, if the market does not expected this FEG, it will come to this FEG, because these are liquidity, these are trend line liquidity. Market is going to sweat because there is what? There is FEG over here. And if you can see on weekly time frame, that FEG is small. You can say the FEG what is small on what? On weekly time frame. This is it. You can see. So since we know that on later I was telling us the general overview of market is what is uptrend, but what is happening now is what is correctional. So this correctional is downtrend. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is what market is giving us on 4 hours time frame. You can see what market is giving us on 4 hours time frame. This is what market is giving us on 4 hours time frame. And this is what the market expected. This is where it's trying to push it up. But you can see if there is FEG down, the 4 hour self is telling us downtrend. But if we see market break this this high, definitely the market has changed to what? Uptrend. The market has changed to uptrend because there's no evidence that market is coming to mitigate to continue that trend. Only just what market need to do is just to do anything you wanted to do here to continue the downtrend. Seriously, to continue the downtrend, because I'm seeing liquidity. I'm seeing liquidity here. This liquidity has already been swept. This liquidity has already been swept. Has already been swept. And let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see this 1 hour time frame. As for me, on 1 hour time frame, we are reading. This is what last break of structural market gave us, and this is the what? This is the low that gave us this, that break this high. Definitely, market give us change of character here. After market give us change of character here, this is the other block because there's no FEG over here again. This is the other block, change of character. Change of character of that block. And if we are looking, market came back here. This one serve as liquidity swept, as for me. And this is what market did here. This is the last break of structural market gave us. This is the last break of structural market gave us. We just need to follow the markets. And if you can see this on 1 hour, it's telling us downtrend. And 1 hour align with what daily time frame is telling us. But what I'm seeing now, the market is in downtrend. Seriously, we just need to see where to buy. Seriously. And what is happening here? This is what is happening here. I'm going to say this place as liquidity swept. Liquidity has swept this way. You can see that we can do so, that's liquidity. Liquidity has swept here. After liquidity has settled, this is the way liquidity. This is the way this is where the liquidity. This is the way liquidity is as liquidity order block. Let's start as liquidity said. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is doing. This is what 15 minutes is doing. You can see there's liquidity here also. There's liquidity, there's FEG here. Let's on 15 minutes we have FEG here. On 15 minutes we are having FEG over here. This is what we are having on 15 minutes, seriously. And this is the last break of structure on 15 minutes. This is the last break of structure on 15 minutes. This is the last break of structure on 15 minutes. Last break on 15 minutes. We just need to wait for this market, seriously. But what I'm seeing break of structure. Let's see market show this liquidity. But let's just wait for the confirmation before we take any day trade. Before we say we are buying, we are selling. Because I'm still expecting if market, if those fees this place will serve as liquidity, market will come back here and continue the trend. Let's just wait. But if we see the market break this place, definitely we should be looking for the FEG to sell the market again. If market break this last week of short of 15 minutes, we should be looking where to sell the market. Seriously. This is what I'm seeing, but the market is not clear to decide that maybe it's selling or it's buying. Let's move to euro. Let's see what euro is doing also. This is what euro is doing also. On monthly time frame, you can see this the key level that we took with the key level that we plotted on GBP USD also. It's the same thing you can see. But if I'm saying this is liquidity sweep, and that is where, and we are expecting this the where we are expecting the market. If that could not this place, so these are the key level. These are the key level. The key level means where the market is what reacted, that is giving us downtrend or uptrend. You can see this is the key level that is giving us the uptrend. We came back to it, give us this is the key level that is giving us the downtrend. So let's move to weekly time frame. These are key level. On weekly time frame, these are our own key level. These are our recent key level now. You can see this is the key level that's giving us the uptrend. And this is the key level. All this has already mitigated. So this has already said this is the key level that gave us this high. And this is the key level that gave us this high. And this is the key level that gave us this high. But market has mitigated with this. So definitely we are in uptrend. All this you can see this CFEG. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is. This is daily time frame. Our daily time frame, don't forget our swing low and our swing high. This is our swing high, this is our swing low. What we just need to do is just to let's see what the market has for us. This is what the market has for us. Market has mitigated this FEG on what? On daily time frame. If market is broken this place, definitely we are in uptrend. But what market is trying to do, market is in downtrend because there's FEG. Market may need to mitigate it. There's FEG, but market respected this key level, weekly level. Let's just see what is happening on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is what's happening on 4 hours now. This is what is happening on 4 hours. This place serve as liquidity for me. Liquidity trend line. It serve as liquidity for me. Seriously. and this space serve as liquidity sweat. So this space has opportunity where seller enter. This is the other block where seller enter. This is the other block. I'm still expecting sell. Seriously, let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is telling us. This is what 1 hour is telling us. This serves as change of characters for me on 1 hour time frame. It serves as change of character. This serves as change of character. After this serves as change of character for me, you can see I said this as serve as liquidity sweep because there is FEG here. So market needs to mitigate it. Market need to sweep those FEG before continuing downtrend. Let's see 4 hours. Market need to sweep this FEG. After market sweep this liquidity, definitely we are in downtrend. But as for now, let's see what market is trying to do. Market has not been giving us the opportunity, but this is our main opportunity that we are anticipating for. Definitely we are selling from here. We are selling from here. You can see this change of character and this change of character other block. All these ones are liquidity. Market is going to sweep this liquidity and continue the downtrend. This is where we are expecting the market to continue the downtrend. This is where we are expecting the market to continue the downtrend. And because there's liquidity down, there's liquidity that market need to take before continuing the uptrend. You can see this FEG here. This will serve as liquidity. Market is coming back to mitigate it before continuing the uptrend. Seriously. But as for now, let's see what 50 minutes is telling us. This is what 50 minutes is telling us also. You can see what 50 minutes is telling us. 50 minutes is telling us there's opportunity up, and this piece has serve as liquidity. It serve as liquidity, but market has not given us where the possibility. But on 1 hour, this is where we are selling the market. We are selling the market on this place. Let's move to USDJPY. Let's see. For 10 minutes. Please, I beg you, to all the subscribers, please kindly help me to watch the video to the end. We see one or two things that we learn from. Seriously. For monthly time frame, you can see we are in uptrend, and these are the key level here. 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 These are key level here. You can see market respected this monthly key level here. It's not this overall key level. This you can see this is support. This is support. Market retested it, turned it into resistance, continued the downtrend. You can see. You can see this is the key level. You see this is the key level, and market is in here. Is this and if you can see there is FVG here. Market needs to mitigate it finish. Seriously, market needs to mitigate this FVG finish because we will continue the bullish. Let's see what is happening. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. This is the major key level here. Market respected, and this is the what manual key level here. You can see the manual key level. Let's just see what market is trying to do, and this is what we are having. Market is in uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what opportunity daily time frame has for us. This is what daily time frame is telling us. This this is what the daily time frame is telling us. Sorry for that. You can see there is FED here. There is FED here. Market has not closed. There is FED here. And On daily time frame, market is giving us change of character here. You can see market is giving us change of character here. Market suppose meet this, but market did not expected this supply is not, it did not mitigated it, and market did not give us what? It did not give us break. So let's just see what market is trying to do here. But as for me, market is in uptrend. Let's move. But if market continue the uptrend, definitely it will sweep this liquidity and continue the downtrend, because this is the main supply that's going to push the market down. So let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is what is happening on 4 hours. After market expected give us on 4 hours. This is interbank consolidation change of character. Market came back here. After market came back here, this is the last break of structural market give us, and this is the what? This is the last break of structural market gave us. Let's say entire break of structure on 4 hours. That is the last break of structural market gave us. And this is the other block here. This is the other block here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. If we redefine the break of structure 1 hour on 4 hours, all those words are liquidity, all these high are liquidity, because this is the main break of structure of 4 hours. But if we redefine it, you can see market is giving us what market is giving us, is giving us break of structure here, change of character here. Market came back here. What you can see, but let's follow 4 hours. Let's follow all these ones are liquidity. Let's follow her. If market broken this place with full body candle, definitely we are in uptrend, because on 1 hour, this is the last break of structure we want to give us. And market swept this liquidity. After market swept the liquidity, this is the liquidity where the liquidity is. Let's see what this if this other block we hold it, it will continue the downtrend. But if we see the other block, that's a candlestick that broken this weak candle with full body candle, that close it with full body candle and break this week, and definitely the market is in uptrend. We will find where to buy the what to buy the market seriously. But let's just see what the market is trying to do. Market is in uptrend as for now. Market is in uptrend. This is the last break of structure market gave us here, and market came back here. But market is coming back here because there's FEG here. There's FEG. There's FEG. Market need to mitigate it before continuing the uptrend. But let's see what market is trying to do here. Let's see what market, because this is the last break of structure here. This is the change of character here. Market mitigated the continue. Let's see let's be waiting for the market here. Let's see GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD. I think this trade I did it around after 2 a.m. So let's start from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. This is the last key level. This is the key level where market is, and this is the key level market broken. So I'm expecting the market to come back here. If market can come back here, continue the uptrend, definitely it will be okay, because I think there's no FEG. So market cannot. I don't think market will come back here on monthly time frame. There's no FEG there. But we cannot say anything. But since it's a skill level, let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is telling us. This is daily time frame, and you can see this is the key level daily time frame gave us. This is the key level, and this is the manual key level here. Seriously, let's just use this manual key level. because that key level start this place have as there's multi time frame also already. But let's use this manual key level because there's FEG here. There's FEG here. So this is what the market is doing. After market mitigated this key level, this is the key level here. This is the key level resistance, and this is the key level support you can see. Let's move to daily time frame. See what daily time frame is telling us. This is what daily time frame is telling us. You see what daily time frame is telling us. After daily time frame mitigated this demand zone, it's continuing what? It's continuing the bullish. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see where we can join the bullish. This is the 4 hours. And this is the last break of structure as for me, because all this one I cannot count it as break of structure. I know I can say this is the last break of structure because it was closed with full body candle. This is the last break of structure. Because it was closed with full body, and this is the other block here. Let's see what this other block is going to do. Maybe it's going to hold it, or it's not going to hold it. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling me. See, market showed this liquidity here. Market came back here, showed this liquidity here. I'm seeing liquidity here. I'm seeing liquidity here also. Market showed this liquidity here. Continue the bullish on 1 hour time frame. All these ones serve as liquidity as for me. All these one, all these ones serve as liquidity trend line. All these ones serve as liquidity for me. If market broken that other block, definitely market is coming back to sorry, liquidity. And this is the FEG I'm expecting the market. There is first FEG here. We cannot say where which one the market is going to respect it. There's FEG here. But you can see market is trying to break it. You can see market is trying to break that key level, that 4 hour key level. If market break it, definitely this FEG what is valid for bullish. And our stop loss will be here because because that is the what that is the that is the that is where the the liquidity swept. So our stop loss will be below that liquidity. Let's see what the market is trying to do. The market is trying to break it seriously. But if you can read a 1 hour time frame, you can see the liquidity swept. Market came back to the market swept this came in swept liquidity swept here. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's go and read the market on 15 minutes. This 15 minutes. This 15 minutes. Liquidity swept here. This is where the market is targeting. If market broken this place, definitely we are in uptrend. Let's see if market broken it. If market broken it, we are in uptrend. And this is the last FEG. We're expecting the market. You can see that's 1 hour liquidity swept. That is it. And we are expecting the market to continue the uptrend. But let's see if this 4 hours is going to push it back. If we broken this place, definitely it's option also. You can see this is the last break of structure, and let's see if this is trying to push it. If you see full body can let's see this Let's see how it's going to close with full body count. If it close with full body count, definitely we are an uptrend. The uptrend is valid. But what I'm seeing, this is liquidity here. I'm saying liquidity here because there's FEG. There's FEG also here. There's FEG here also. But we don't know which one the market is going to respect. We just need to follow, we just need to do our analysis. This is what we are expecting. This is where we are expecting because this is where we are expecting the market to come. The FEG here, this is where we are expecting. But let's see if we can see change of character. If we see change of character, definitely we are buying. We are buying. So let's move to BTC. Let's see what crypto is telling us. Let's see what crypto is telling us. This is what crypto is telling us. For monthly time frame, this is the key level on monthly time frame, and this is where the market is. On monthly time frame, market expected this key level, you can see. This is where the market expected this key level. This is big, and if this cannot hold it, if this could not hold it, definitely it's coming here because there's FEG here to mitigate it. So BTC is coming to 27,000 to continue the uptrend. So let's see, move to weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is there. These are the key level you can see. These are the key level resistance. These are the key level support. These are the key level resistance. And these are the key level. And these are the key level here. These are the key level here. These are the key level. Yeah. These are the key level here. These are the key level here. These are the key level here. This is the final key level. Well, let's see what market is doing. On daily time frame, this is the last break of structure. You can see this is the supply that give us the what? The bullish. And what market is doing now, you can see market has mitigated us FET supply in this demand zone here because demand zone accept this liquidity because this week candle accept this bearish liquidity here. Definitely the market is giving us uptrend. Let's see what daily time frame is telling us. This is daily time frame. This is the order block on daily time frame. You can see the order block on daily time frame, and this is what market is in this key level here. This weekly key level. This weekly key level is the one that is holding the market. Let's see daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is telling us. This is what daily time frame is telling us. This is our swing high. This is the last break of structure. This is the swing low, and this is our swing high here. This is the swing low here. You can see what is trying to tell us. This is our swing and this is our swing low here. Let's move to 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame. This is what 4 hours is trying to tell us. This is going to clear on 1 hour time frame. Seriously, this is going to clear on 1 hour. You can see on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. And you can see this is the OB and there is liquidity sitting here. So I'm expecting the market to buy. This is what I'm seeing on after seeing liquidity, see change of character here. This is where I'm expecting the buy to come. If I can see the buy from here, it's okay. Let's move to all these ones we serve as liquidity because there's FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's go. 1 hour time frame is telling us. On 1 hour time frame, there is no FEG on 1 hour time frame, and this is where the liquidity, this is where the market expected. You can see this is the last break of short on 1 hour time frame. This is change of character. Market expected this FEG. This is the FEG on 1 hour time frame expected. Because if you can see on 1 hour, there is on 1 hour time frame, there is no FEG anymore. This is the way the FEG is on 1 hour time frame. This is the way the FEG on 1 hour time frame. And this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure. What we are having is uptrend here. And this is change of characters for me. This is change of character. If market can break it, we are having change of character here. And if this candle close with full body candle above the change of character, this is the FEG we are buying. Seriously, that is the FEG we are buying. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes our entry. Let's see what's happening. This 15 minutes. You can see this is what's happening 15 minutes. But let's just see what market is trying to do on 1 hour time frame. Since it's our order block, this is and it has not broken, this low. This when market came back, it did not break this low. So let's say this as for order block. Let's see what it's trying to do. Maybe it's going to hold it, it's going to send it back, or it's not going to send it back. So you don't let us say this what market is trying to do. This is what we see on the market. If you can see the sell again, definitely the market is coming to this 4 hours order block. But if we see break of short, if we see change of character, definitely we are what? We are buying. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is trading on. This is what Ethereum is trying to tell us. For monthly time frame, this is our key level on monthly time frame. This is our key level here. But you can see market has swept this liquidity here. Market has mitigated this liquidity swept over here. Definitely, we are in uptrend. We are in what? We are in uptrend here. Let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. This is the key level here, and this is the key level here. These are minor key level. You can see these are minor key level because there's FAG. Market swept this liquidity here also. Mitigate this phase. You can see market mitigated here. It's continuing to give us the bullish. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our swing. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low here. And you can see this is other block here, another swing what. This one has served as a system because market has mitigated several times. And this gives us another what swing high here and swing low here. Well, let's see what is happening on 4 hours. Let's see what is happening to join the market on 4 hours. This is what the market has been doing on 4 hours also. So market has not mitigated this FEG. You can see there's FEG. Market has not mitigated this other block. Market has not mitigated that other block. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. So after market mitigated this other block of 1 hour, market tried to give us what? Uptrend. Let's move to and you can see this is the last break of short. This is the change of characters for me on 4 hours. This is change of character. Let's move to 15 minutes after. Let's see what we have. This 15 minutes time, this is the last break of short order. You can see this is change of character. After the change of character, market mitigated this place, other block, and continued the bullish. So this is where the market is. This is the last break of short on 1 hour time frame. Let's see if you can see another sell. But if we not see say market broken this place with full body candle, definitely what we are buying. Market is no more sell again. So this is where this is the other block here. So this is the other block here. This is the other block here. Let's see what market is trying to do. Let's see 15 minutes. Our entry. If you want to join this market on 15 minutes, you can join the market. This is what we are joining on the market. This is the last break of structural market gave us. And there's FEG here. We are buying from here. And our long position will be here. And this is the low that gave us this high. So our stop loss will be here so that we know what we are doing. And we and all these ones are liquidity, what are trend line liquidity. Our trend line liquidity market is going to sweat. So to stay safe, so our stop loss will be below this higher low. Let's see what on 15 minutes on BTC. Let's see what is BTC is tell us on 15 minutes. 15 minutes on BTC, you can see there's no space safe. There's no space to trade. There's no This is the last break of structure, and the market did not give us. There's no FEG. This is a liquidity threat. Market mitigated it. After market mitigated, is continuing the bullish. Market has mitigated this FEG. This market has mitigated this FEG also. There's no FEG, there's no space. Let's see what's happening. So this is the other block. So let's just see what is happening on the trend. If market may come, maybe because I'm seeing FEG here. If market wants to continue to come and mitigate this FEG for continuing object, well, market wants to mitigate this 4 hours other block. Let's see what the market is doing. So farms, this is what I see. This is what I see today. So please kindly don't forget to please kindly watch the video very well. You will see one or two things that you will learn from it. You already know. My name is Aboyi001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, like, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see the video. You already know, you already know I'm a prayer person. So I pray that this week is going to be a profitable week for us. We are going to be a successful, profitable in our trading and any other skills we are doing. This week is going to be our week. This month is going to be our month, and today is going to be our day. You already know. Peace and love. Have a good week ahead and have a good day ahead. Oh, thanks.